watermelon, spit out, I don't like to spit out the watermelon seeds. Cut. Be careful when you cut the watermelon. Slice. A slice of watermelon. Car. Drive. I can't drive yet, I'm still learning. Insurance. How much did your car insurance cost? Break down. Her car broke down on the way to work. Slide. Slide. I slid down the slide really fast. Turn. We'll wait in line and take turns going down the slide. Ladder. Let's climb up the ladder first before we slide down. Cake. Birthday. What do you want for your birthday? Mix. We mix flour, sugar, and eggs in a big bowl. Baker. The baker bakes a yummy cake. Tomato. Ketchup. I like to put lots of ketchup on my fries. Raw. Mom says eating raw tomatoes is good for our health. Juicy. This tomato is nice and juicy. Clothes. Detergent. Don't add too much detergent. Laundry. Did you do the laundry today? Fold up. Will you help me fold up the clothes? Bus. Get on. I hold my backpack as I get on the bus. Get off. Where should I get off? Which? Which bus goes to the zoo? Fridge. Take out. He took out the apple from the fridge. Repair. The fridge needs to be repaired. Close. Please close the fridge door.